Hey everyone, it's Erin King here with Steve Alber's Real Estate Advisors. Had a really great question last week about open houses. Say that you're out and about on the weekend, driving around through a neighborhood, and you see an open house sign. Awesome. Go in, check it out. Introduce yourself to the host. It'll more than likely be the listing agent or someone hosting the open house on their behalf. If you are personally working with an agent, just let the other agent know. As someone who hosts open house myself, it's a great way for us to meet people and potential clients. But if you're working with someone, just let the other agent know. That's totally cool. Take a tour of the home and then feel free to ask the host questions about the property. What do they like about the property? What are some features and benefits of that house? Is there anything negative about the house that they might point out? Might be something as small as a cupboard door not shutting, but it helps give you some insight into that property. If you absolutely love it and want to get back for a second showing, just call up your agent and we'd be happy to bring you back in. So it was an awesome question that I had about open houses. Just wanted to share a little bit. Hope everyone's having a great day, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.